Number 34. Which adaptation may be present in a xerophyte? Xerophyte, the word phyte means plants or plant, and the word xero means dry. So xerophytes are the plants that live in very dry area. And in this case, we're going to talk about the marram grass. Okay, marram grasses. They are plants that have rolled leaves. So the rolled leaves have hairs inside, and these hairs prevent the water vapor from going out of the leaf, so they stay inside. They stay inside the leaves. So this is how they conserve the water. So yep, the rolled leaves is one of the adaptation as well, and they have hairs. So C is the right answer for this one. Let's have a look at A. Leaves with small surface area. Okay, yeah, that can be a adaptation as well. But large numbers of stomata, no. If there are a lot of stomata, then it means there are more pores that the water vapors can escape. So if there are many stomata present in the leaves, then more water molecules will go out and they'll lose more water. The plants will lose more water. So A is not the answer. B, little or no xylem tissue and leaves with large surface area. If the leaves have large surface area, then there are more spaces or more surface for the water molecules to go out, like escape from the leaves. So no. Number D, thin or no cuticle and deep roots. Deep roots is, yep, it's absolutely right. It's a very good adaptation that the xerophytes can have. However, thin or no cuticle, no. Cuticles are like waterproof materials. So if the leaf has no cuticle, the water molecules inside the leaf will just evaporate and they'll just get out of the leaf. So no way. So the answer is C for this one.